You will get married by the end of this year, whatever year you are watching this in, if you do this one thing. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest marriage by the end of the year. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting your SP, whether it is a specific person or someone you haven't met yet, I would highly recommend for you to invest in yourself and enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This is a 14-week program that takes you step by step on how to manifest your SP. I have included text, video, affirmations, and homework for each and every single week up until the 14th week, and I guarantee you, you will manifest your SP by the end of the course. Grayson wants to say hi Grayson. My little baby. By the end of the course, you will have enough know-how and experience to have had manifested your SP. This is step by step how I manifest every single thing. I poured my heart into this, and it is a very nice package that summarizes in chronological order everything that I talk about on this channel. So if you would like to enroll, go on RitaKaminski.com and click the Manifest Your SP tab, or click the very first link in the description box down below. If you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, go on RitaKaminski.com as well and book through there, or click the second link in the description box down below. If you would like to join collective coaching, click the Join Now button right next to my name. This is where you ask any question to do with law of assumption, and I answer it via video. If members only is not available in your country, you can join by clicking the fourth link. This is a Patreon link. It is the exact same program, even though it is on another platform. You get the same videos, you get the same Discord link. It's all the same thing. Can we stop complicating everything? Can we skip all the extras and get down to the meat of how to manifest a marriage by the end of this year? Because self-concept, letting go, releasing resistance, following your happiness on a moment-to-moment basis are all things that I have talked about on my channel. And these are amazing concepts that can fast-track your manifestation. But let's be real here. Law of assumption simply means one thing. If you assume it to be true right now, it is instantly true. No bells, no whistles, no, you have to get your self-concept up, no, you have to do sats, no, you have to let go and detach, nothing. If I assume that I have blue eyes, that is in my reality right now, and it will have no choice but to come into fruition. Can we sit down right now and really think about that for a second? What does self-concept have to do with any of this? What does detaching, letting go, releasing resistance, flipping your thoughts, following all of these techniques have to do with any of this? Really think about that right now. I know that we're distracted by the cutest kitten in the world behind me, but come on guys, this is serious. They are amazing, helpful ways that can fast track your manifestations. However, these are extras. These are bonuses. They are not essential. And I feel as though people are complicating it with all of this information and really forgetting about the core of what law of assumption is. We need to always bring ourselves back to the main definition of law of assumption. To be honest, if you F everything off and you just focus on the definition of law of assumption and stick to that, you will be better than 96% of people. Not that this is a competition, but just to truly emphasize how powerful this is. Again, this is the problem with most of you. You listen to all of this information and you forget that it's about knowing that you are in a marriage right now. Again, if you are serious about getting married by the end of this year, you should grow up and take away all of the add-ons. But can you be desperate? Yes, it's understandable why you are. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to detach, that is the main key to manifest your marriage. Don't let anyone make you feel bad for not being able to detach, not being able to let go, not being able to stop obsessing over this person. Can you be grappling with self-doubt? Yes, of course. It's just very common for humans living in the 21st century, being brought up by baby boomers and Gen X's, to be grappling with self-doubt. Do you need to be happy, in alignment, in a high vibration, in the vortex, to manifest a marriage or anything else for that matter? No. Although these things help, and I highly advocate to get into alignment and self-concept and detaching and all of these beautiful things, I will be talking about them in future videos because they are very powerful if you are in the right headspace. But again, I've noticed that these concepts confuse the ever-living crap out of my subscribers. And I want to make it as simple as possible for you because it's meant to be as simple as possible. May I remind you that you never had to really work on self-concept or being happy to manifest all of the things that are in your life right now. Now, how do we manifest marriage in whatever year you're watching this right now? My videos are timeless. Identify exactly what it is that you want. I want to be married by the end of the year. It's as simple as that. You don't need to write it down, although you can, but as long as you have identified that that is exactly what you want, let's go. Next, as much as possible throughout the day and evening and throughout the night, I want you to focus on the fact that you will be married by the end of the year. I'm telling you, you do not need to detach. You can obsess over this. You do not need to work on your self-concept. You do not need to stop wavering. The only thing that you must do is put your thoughts into the fact that I am going to be married by the end of the year. Because even if you're wavering, that doesn't matter. The more that you keep focusing on this throughout the day, throughout the evening, or throughout the night, doesn't matter. The pure sheer fact that you're going to be focusing on this throughout the day, throughout the evening, and throughout the night, your wavering will be naturally overridden, because even if you are doubting, you are still going to be focusing on the fact that you are married by the end of the year. That's it. The way that you focus can happen in a number of ways. You can affirm as much as possible throughout the day. I am married by 2024. I am in a happy, loving, committed, loyal marriage by the end of 2024. I am in a happy relationship by the end of 2024. Or I am happily married. I am in a loving marriage. We are focusing on this as much as we possibly can. Do not overthink this. If you are thinking about something else, we want to be light and easy about this. We can visualize, we can use SATs. I don't even want to talk about these techniques, which you can find on my channel, and apply it to marriage. But I really want to make myself clear in this video. You don't need to detach. You don't need to have a good self-concept. You don't need to affirm. You don't need to do SATs. Nothing outside of you will bring you this marriage this year. It's only your attention on the fact that you are going to be married this year. You can say it in the present tense, like I am married. I highly recommend for master manifestors to do that, because you bring yourself into the reality where you are now married. So your 3D world will have to match that. It will have no choice. Or you can say, I will be married by the end of the year. That is also perfect, because you know, regardless, by the end of 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2029, 30, to infinity and beyond, bitch, you will be married in whatever year you are watching this. Waver all you want, overthink all you want. I'm giving you permission, because that's gonna release your resistance. You're not gonna feel bad for wavering or doubting or overthinking. As long as for at least 50% of the day, you have your attention on the fact that you are in a marriage with your SP, or you will be married by the end of the year. It's really easy with SATs, because let's say you sleep 8 hours of the day, 24 hours of the day, that's already 8 hours of you manifesting purely that you are married to this SP. So I recommend SATs, but again, it is not required. The only thing that matters is your energy on the fact that you are married. Keep persisting in the fact that you are married to your SP now, or you will be married to your SP this year. Your subconscious mind does not discriminate. You can say I will, or I want, or I have, I am, it does not matter. The fact still remains that by the end of the year, you will be married. You don't need to embody the state. You don't need to robotically affirm. Nothing is needed. You need to focus as much as possible in any way that helps you. That can be robotically affirming. That can be sats, that can be scripting, that can be visualizing, that can be the whisper method, that can be the 369 method, that can be the water method. It can be you listening to love songs. It can be you watching romantic movies and getting excited about this marriage. It could be you watching YouTube videos about married life, vlogs of married life, or learning about married life, or going on Pinterest and looking at wedding dresses. There are no rules to this except for one, and that is focusing as much as you possibly can on this desire. That's it. I can guarantee you, if you have failed at manifesting in the past, it is because you have not focused as much as possible throughout the day on this one thing. Everything else is a bonus, is a tool. That confuses y'all, and it is your journey, and it is up to you to pick and choose what you find important in your heart of hearts. But know that just because you are still obsessing over this doesn't mean you can't get this marriage just as fast as the person with the highest self-concept in the world. Because at the end of the day, again, it's all about your attention. It's all about you assuming, knowing right now that you are in a marriage or you will be married. How do you know something like that? You are thinking it, right? You know 100% that you are going to be married by the end of the year. You're going to be thinking like that person. You're going to be living in the end. To help you do that, we are focusing in that direction. Non-stop focusing until it comes into our life. If you truly believe that you will be married by the end of the year and you have no doubts, if you have no resistance, you will feel compelled not to manifest. And to that I say fine. But most of you guys, from my experience, have those wavering doubts. You're not in the state yet. That's totally fine. So again, to that I say you need to focus as much as possible throughout the day to get this married. The second most important thing I want to say is no self-concept is required. No detachment is required. You can be obsessing, throwing up, feeling horrible. I don't recommend that to you, but honestly, feeling good about feeling that way will release the resistance and will make you stop feeling those things. Once you stop fighting with that, it will go away naturally. So it's a human experience. It's fine. You are not stopping your manifestation. Every single YouTuber out there and manifestation coach has manifested things when they were feeling like crap. All it is about is focusing as much as possible in any outlet that you see fit, whether it's affirming, visualizing, scripting, doing whatever technique you want, okay? I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you absolutely loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.